16 in our according, question 19 in October, November 22, variant 3. Find g f of x. G f of x. We have to write the function g of x equal 10 over x minus 2. Then replace every x with the function f. G f of x equal 10 over 5x minus 3 minus 2. It means 10 over 5x minus 5. By factorization, we can take the 5 common factor, x minus 1, 10 over 5 equals 2, so the final answer is 2 over x minus 1. The second question, find the g negative 1 of x. G negative 1 of x means 10 over x minus 2 equals y. Now replace every x with y and vice versa. X equal 10 over y minus 2. X, we will send y minus 2 times. X times y minus 2 equals 10. xy minus 2x equals 10. Negative 2x هتروح الناحية التانية بالبلس. xy equal 10 plus 2x. y equal 10 plus 2x over y. 10 plus 2x over y. Question number C. f negative 1 of x minus 1. The answer is x minus 1. Special case. Don't forget it. f power negative 1 x minus 1. The answer is the number or the letters between the brackets, x minus 1. Thank you.